And bam, now I'm feeling...
Yes, it's a crazy time. Buys away, no way, crazy time 5x.
Hi, my brother. This game uses money. And this game can also make money for you. Use your money wisely. And remember, this game is for entertainment, not for your main job to make money.
SH and top 3. 1.3 thousand winners from the one, guys. Welcome newcomers to Crazy Time. Don't forget to check the game stats and history, and also autoplay. 112 and coin flip recently spun segments. Welcome newcomers to Crazy Time. Here we go, my lords. You ready for the next spin? I know I am. Yeah. For my boy Anja. There we go, guys. Spins made. 2x on 2, by the way. Bro, you have stutter. Okay. Get people be moving mad there. Okay, we take that. Is that a Pachinko? Yeah! Ladies and gentlemen, make some noise. Pachinko time. Okay. Let's do this again, right, guys? Okay, this plug just turned off for some reason. But anyway, take a look at the multipliers for the drop. So, 2x will be the lowest multiplier for the drop, guys. Come on, we need some hundreds and doubles on the down below. Come on, 100, double. We got a 200, guys. What do you think? Do I have this the potential on giving you a 200, guys? Do you think we can get it? I mean, I guess it's kind of... Well, I cannot really see him. A kiss for good luck again. Here we go, guys. Can we get that 200x from our people in the chat, guys? Go to the right. Go to the right. Now, to the right. Baby! My lords and my ladies! Guys! When someone says, I'm talking about him, they're talking about me, yeah? 200x, baby!
Winners, oi. Zaya, Monku, Ali, Pidge, and of course everyone else. Cheerio, guys. Best luck in next round, too. Let's go for it. Consistency, exactly, Colin. Got like the same name, except you got a little extra L in there. You know, I personally try to minimize my L's. Let's see, 5x on number 1. Let's see. A cold? No, I mean, I'm feeling good, man. Feeling good. And bam, now I'm feeling great, because that's crazy time. We have done it. Let's go. Welcome, guys, to the big wheel. You know the deal at this point. Green, blue, yellow. What do you think? Gotta choose that flapper, guys. If you don't, the auto picker will choose it for you. What do you think? Feel free to choose based on the color of your soul. Your true inner self. Well, blue side's still slightly ahead. 100x max multi. X blue, 50x yellow, and some double trouble on the green. All right, so I guess vegetarians stay within 200x up for grabs. Yo, we've done it again, guys. Another double. Woo! Holy guacamole. 400x up for grabs. Can we do it? Sheesh, man. Double again. Get me on the court and I'm trouble. Last week, messed around, got a triple-double. All right, guys, that's potential 800x now. No way. Double again? Woo! Alright guys, where are we at this point? 1600X. Can we get it? Quadruple digits. There you go. 240X on green.
$500 gets a 1x and number 2 with 3x top star. Alright, thank you, Bazarang. Good luck to all of you next one. Let's see what is waiting for us in the next round. So Dad and I are here. Dad and I, what time do you have your party? At what time? When you're gonna find out? Let's do a good spin. That's over. Spin was made. We do have a crazy time with 2x top slot. You're missing penguins? Me too. No? Yes! It's a crazy time! 2x top slot! We did it! Let's go! Woohoo! Top slot 2x multiplier. Let's apply that, guys. Let's apply it. And now your decision time is way above. Think about the color: blue, green, or yellow. And right here, guys, down here. Alright, guys, final seconds. Alright, the highest one, 200X multiplier. Let's go. You're gonna be the double and the blue one. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Double everything. And now 400X, the highest one. Good luck to everyone. Blue flopper now. Woo! $600 and some more plus got a 50x, 150x this time here. Great job, it's almost 9,000 players. Cash 100x, the highest one. Is this 2D in Latvia? Yes, obviously. No, I'm not gonna sing you a song, come on. Autopic 50x, great. Autopic sometimes like literally saving lives. Woo, 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 woo. Crazy time, 10x top slot. And we do have here, we do have a number 2. Woo! Number 2 this time is the one in score. Enjoy your wins. When give us around, have fun. 5,700 plus gets the win. Some newcomers. How can I help you, Redoing? Just tell me that. If we do have a chat one, I also can help you. You are more welcome to us in new bats if you're willing to continue. So Darren, have you been writing something else? Because like chat is a little bit like flying again, like it's no not flying, like not like frozen, but it's just like a lot of messages. Penguins, come on, crazy time, 5x top slot. Looks like it's showing us we need to get that again. Oh, by the way, by the way, no way, crazy time, 5x multiplier. Let's go! Woohoo! Penguins are waiting, guys. Where we are! Woohoo! 5x top slot! Let's go! Right, guys, decision time is now in blue, green, or yellow. What you gonna choose? Highest one, 500. Let's go! Double on yellow. Woohoo! $1,000X on yellow. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Woo! It's a 125, 125, and 500. Let's go. Woohoo! No way.
Hey, all right, this is another bonus round, guys. We got it here. Coin flip. Good job. Mr. One, please, no control. No control. This is red and the blue sides. We got a hero of the coin, ladies and gentlemen. Check it out. So what do we have here now? This is 20x to the blue side. That's pretty decent. 5x on the red side. Let's flip it, guys. $5x on the red side. We got it here, guys. Thank you so much. Congratulations for that. Let's go back to the wheel. 4,188 winners. It's Leo, Hugh, Tommy, Gonya, Casino. Congratulations, guys, with that. Here we go again. Time to spin it again and again, guys. I wish you the best of luck. Have fun. Let's go for another round and game, guys. Cheers. Would I like to, baby? Wow, cash on with a 15x multiplier. Guys. No control. 15x, ladies and gentlemen. Woo! Woo! Let's go, everyone, guys. Wow, this is a 15x multiplier. What do we have here? Wow, this is a multiple 100x's. Looks, guys, how many 1500x we will have here, guys. That's insane. Wow. Wow, 1500x. This is a max win, guys, for today. That's for sure. But now it's time to pew pew. Let's go, everybody. Make a shot, guys. Make your shot, please. Shush. Lord, not a 45x, please. Yeah, Kevin, please. Not a 45x. You all guys need to get a 1500x. Maybe it should be somewhere here in the top. 6-9. What else? 7-7, 3-3. It all depends on you guys. For me, it's always 6-9. Yeah, like 6 down and 9 on the side. But what is your pick? What is your choice, guys? There. 1500 was here. 75. So the 6-9. 1500 there. Congratulations, guys, with that. We got a 452 winners with a 1500.
Say, ma'am. Yes, to have whoever is celebrating birthday, happy birthday to you, players. But this time it is going to be coin flip, very fast bonus rounds. Do you have red side and blue side? Brain is not braining still. After your greetings, with best wishes towards me. And we do have 3 extra red and 9 extra blue. Good luck to you to get the high one, of course. And we got it. We actually got it. The 9x, imagine that. It's just because it is my birthday. 9x for us because it is my birthday. 1,757 winners in total. Join the session. Hello to everyone who's greeting me in the chat. See, it's so stunning. Yes, it's because my birthday. I hope I will be the owner of the house with the key as well. Good luck. Thank you, Tana. Hi, Tubi. Praise out with 5X. Happy birthday, Brick. Stay pretty. You have to be kidding me. You have to be kidding me. It's for my birthday, which will be in 5 months. Yay! Crazy time. Good luck. Players, it is not my birthday, but it will be in few months. But this exact time, it is going to be 5X on Crazy Time bonus round. Congratulations to your cats. Well, happy birthday to your cat, but now it's the right time to choose green, blue, or yellow. This is gonna be an amazing round. Let's prepare for it. Choose a flapper. Autopic is here, and blue is the most chosen one, 500X. So far, the highest one. Good luck. We ended up with a double. Double for blue, the most chosen color. So 125X for both of other flappers, but now blue. Double those multipliers, and 1000X. So far, so good for you. Good luck to get another double. Well, look at that. 350 for blue. Peekaboo to you with 2,077 winners in total. Let's go back to the wheel where you are placing the bets. Excuse me if I'm talking through my nose. I am a little bit sick, and you can tell it sometimes.
If this game uses money, so be wise in using your money. Pay attention to the meaning of money. Money is a stock of assets that can be immediately used to carry out transactions. Apart from that, money is anything that can be used or received to make payments for goods, services, or debts. Money has one fundamental purpose in the economic system: to facilitate the exchange of goods and services, to shorten the time and effort required to execute a trade. Money is an object that can be approved by all levels of society as a means of exchange in trade. The definition of money is an acceptable medium used by every economic actor or money market player to make transactions easier.